Hi, this is Cindy from Part-Time Permies, and today we're going to do a little wrap-up video highlighting some of the best parts of when the Rhodes came to visit and a little bit of everything. It took me all week to get all the videos put together, but it was amazing to have them here. So if Justin's watching, and Rebecca and all the kids, thanks for coming. Thanks for stopping by. We're going to miss you guys. It was amazing to meet you, and thank you so much for the interview because that was great advice.
Your own tarragon field.
That's what I was wondering, because you gave me yesterday for the tarragon.
It's a Korean tarragon. What's it doing here?
I'm going to make some Italian sausage. We're going to grind it, pump it, and hopefully get it on the smoker here in the next 45 minutes and have fresh Italian sausage ready to go. So that's our contribution, and thank you for coming out.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Holly.
Hi, I'm Harry.
And you saw him make it?
Yeah.
Yeah, what'd he do? Did he put the meat through a grinder?
No.
No? Did he stuff the meat into like a casing?
No.
No! Did he put the meat on the grill?
No.
No! Where did he cook? I don't know. We'll see how it looks.
Okay,
I've never done this, so we're playing with it.
yeah, let's do that.
Okay. Thank you for choosing us.
You're welcome.
That was
It's been a
awesome.
good stop. Yeah.
That was a lot of fun. So, thanks so
Thank
much.
you. Way to represent Michigan. Our only stop, great stop.